Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about this Bosch lift pump for the 99 to 2003 7.3 Powerstroke. Let's see what comes in the box. Well, here it is. That's it. That's literally what comes in the box. It's the pump itself. Now, this is going to work for any of you 99, that includes early or late, to 2003 7.3 Powerstrokes. That's going to be, you have 250, 350, 450, and the 550s. Anything that has that Super Duty chassis has the stock lift pump located on the frame rail, just about under the driver's seat. These are relatively robust pumps, even from the factory. It's a Bosch unit. They work really well. However, these trucks are getting old, and a lot of times they are getting a little bit tired, so it's time to replace them. One thing I do want to note, fuel supply issues, kind of a gray area on 7.3s because the truck itself does not actually monitor fuel pressure. So if you are wanting to check your fuel pressure, make sure that you are doing so in a safe manner, either like at the fuel bowl or something like that, just to make sure and you can verify how much pressure you are getting from the tank all the way to your fuel bowl. And believe it or not, that factory spec is basically anywhere between 40 and 70 PSI. And that's at idle, wide open throttle, everything. But as us 7.3 folks like to make things specific, in a perfect world, 55 to 65 PSI, idle, wide open throttle, you're good to go. Let's talk about an add-on part that you may need for this Bosch replacement pump. Now, this is going to cover as far as performance-wise, you got stock injectors, you're going with a little bit larger single shot injector, you're going to be covered there. If you're going to be getting into something big, say, or bigger, like a set of hybrids or something like that, or anything above, say, like a 205cc injector, you are going to want to look into a regular return kit, and some of them do actually reincorporate the stock Bosch lift pump. Some of them even use two stock Bosch lift pumps, but just keep in mind that this will support, stock very well, and even a small injector above stock very well. But if you're trying to make a whole bunch of power in a 7.3, you're going to want to look at a slightly larger pump or doubling up. Now, like I mentioned before, a part you may need with this pump. If the truck doesn't have the factory Bosch pump on there, you may find that you are missing a piece when you go to install this. And what I mean by that is that piece right there. But we've got the pump in our hands here, we've got the tank side, and we've got the engine side. This is where your electrical connections go. You take that stock pump off and it's going to look like one whole piece all the way out here. Well, the stock Bosch one doesn't have one, which means you may have to order one of these. So keep that in mind. If you look at your stock pump and it's one piece all the way out, you take that one out and you go to put a Bosch stock replacement pump back in. It's not going to have that snout on there. You're going to have to order this one separately. We do have a box you can check on the website just to include it in with it. I don't recall what the exact cost is, but I would definitely recommend getting one of these in case you need it down the road. So if you have any questions on if this is the right pump for your truck or if it's going to fulfill your needs as far as the size injectors you're going with, give us a call. Let us know and we'll answer any questions you have. We have phone sales technicians on the phone at 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. They're very knowledgeable and can answer any questions you have. We also have the chat feature on the website. You can email us, hit us up through the social medias, any way you like. We'll get you the right information the first time, every time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.